everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be playing Kit to Leader by Moss Shadow. There'll probably be many parts to this since I do believe it is a long game. But I played this game back in like 2015 and it's obviously been very much updated since then, but this is a part of my childhood, okay? So I'm very excited to be playing it today. We'll keep female. Let's look at the different options. Ooh, that's cute. I can go with this one, and I'm gonna do mint. Alright, and yes, we're on computer, so let's start. Would you look at that, Cream Frost? Mint Kit has started walking, have I? Yay, Mint Kit's up. Wanna play? Crystal Kit, come on, let Mint Kit explore on her own a bit. Aw, when you're ready, Mint Kit, talk to me to play Moss Ball. Okay, here I come. Crystal Kit, this is my sister. Oh, cool. Yes. Yeah. Don't, don't get hit. That wasn't fair. I was right there. Yes. I can get away this time. No. Ah. Rude. Yes. Oh, that did not hit me. You are the worst sister. What if I go over here? Yes. It can't get me. I win! No, Crystal Kit. No. I am the winner. I won very much right there. Oh crap, what's going on? Oh, okay. Discord was just giving me some notifications. Hold on. Alright. Breeze Kit. Okay. Just sleeping. How about you, Cream Frost? Hey, Mint Kit. I'm not really in the mood right now. Oh, she looks kind of sad. I'm just a little sad thinking about my mate. What happened to your mate? He died quite recently. I was pregnant with Breeze Kit with lung infection. It'll be hard for her. Her siblings have always had someone to grow up with. She's an only kit, and only kits are bad omens. Oof. Would you like to hear a story? Yes. Let's see. Let me tell you about my friend Cream Frost. She's right there. Oh, gee, thanks, Lilac Path. I was about to say. Let me guess. It'll be about me and Gemstone. Haha, yep. Cream Frost has been my friend since I was born. She was actually an apprentice when I was a kid. I bugged her all the time. You sure did. You were like a burr in my fur sometimes, especially when she met Gemstone, her mate. They had 3 litters of kits, and I was like a mother to every single one of them whenever Cream Frost wanted some. Once Holly Pelt grew into warrior, you see, Gemstone and Liontail were the closest of friends and loved to collect locks. Gemstone almost always forgot about everything whenever Liontail. They tried to get their kits involved, but none of them grew into. Cream Frost especially mocked them for their taste, but she loved them anyway. My goodness, Mother, you say things too quickly for me to comprehend. I'm just a small kit. You must talk slower. Yes, tell me another story. You probably don't think much of Sparrowtail. She's not the sweetest berry in the bush. But I remember as an apprentice before the Severance, she was a little more lighthearted. I played Severance for this channel. Her father, Badgerface, was this huge, muscular Tom with the worst attitude and the most dreadful. Ravenshade, a quiet, sweet black sheep of the family. The sisters got along so well as apprentices. Sparrowpaw had been so different. Our first deputy, Fisherclaw, was the luckiest Tom to take Ravenshade as mate. Around that time, however, Sparrowtail had gotten distant and bitter. She had kits, but no one knew about the father, and she was strict on keeping that to herself. Milky Willow and Stormpaw grew up to fine cats, but in Severance, Stormpaw walked away with Firestar. Sparrowtail found love once again with Webfoot, but ever since his recent fox attack. Ah! Sigh. Night is really lucky to grow up with you and Breeze Kit. I know that you two will make her feel special. You talk too fast, Mother! Oh, hey, Breeze Kit's awake. Hello, I'm Breeze Kit. I look just like my mom. Yes, you do. You look very different. Yeah, we don't talk about that. I mean, I'm gray. I think I'm a little darker gray, and I do have stripes that she does not have. And I think I have blue eyes, maybe? No, I might be green. I don't look that much unlike her, do I? Can I go out? Oh, I can go out. Oh, Night Kit. We were talking about. I hope in turn you'll... Night Kit. Sorry. I don't like kits, but you're a mother! Also, where is your face? You are so dark, I can't see any actual features. Bramblestar. Good evening, Mint Kit. Bramblestar. You're too young to be out here, Mint Kit. I'm catching a bird. Oh! No, I want to keep the bird. Burb is the bird. Okay, that jump is too dangerous for you. What happens if I go... I'm not gonna try it. Not gonna try it. Whee! What was that? Sweetie, get back to camp. Ashtail. Aw, you're up. That's a new thing. What's your name, sweetheart? Nice to meet you, Mint Kit. You shouldn't be so close to the border. You should probably get back to camp. Fine. Whee! Ah, I found another bird. Can I catch them all? That's like Pokemon, right? Gotta catch them all. Oh, I can see some features. I see brown. Oh, okay, so she actually does have features. I can kind of see a face now. Go to High Rock. Bramblestar is calling a clan meeting. Okay. Oh, it's time for 4 kits to become apprentices. That's one to me. Mint Kit, with your mentor being Holly... you should now be known as Mint Paw. Crystal Kit, with your mentor being Sparrowtail, you should now be known as Crystal Paw. Breeze Kit, with your mentor being Fallen Feather, you shall now be known as Breeze Paw. Night Kit, with your mentor being Torrent Claw, you shall be known as Night Paw. And they're calling our names. Woot woot. Meeting is dismissed. I should have stood right here. Tell me that's not Holly Pelt right there. I'm hoping it's this one back here. I'm assuming they're... Why am I assuming that they're a black cat? I guess it's because I was reading about, you know, Holly Leaf and stuff. I think that's why I jumped there. I have absolutely no idea who Holly is. How do I get out of here? Can I go to the nursery? Hey, there we go. Sparrowtail. Okay. So that's not my mentor, thank goodness. Apprentices are no use to me, so kits weren't good enough. Apprentices are just as bad. You're the worst. No. I actually want to be surprised, thank you. I have 0 reputation, anyway. Oh, it is! And she is the black cat. I actually guessed right. Hey, Mint Paw, I'm your mentor, Holly Pelt. Fortunately, before we get to the good stuff, we have to go over borders. All the way left towards the waters, Fire Clan. I won't have you patrol there yet. I don't think you're ready for that type of risk. All the way to our right is our border from Rogues. No one lives over there, but there's no real need for expansion. You can always ask Amber Claw to go on a patrol in exchange for everything. But now let's go to the hunting grounds and learn how to hunt. Downward arrow should appear by the den entrances. Okay. Oops. Am I dead? You took quite a fall there, Mint Paw. Be careful next time. Where the heck am I? You'll have to keep that cast on a bit longer. But anyways, I'm the Bramble Clan Medicine Cat. I'll help you if you're ever hurt. Who are you? You're Darkclaw. Hello. I don't have much to talk about, but if you want, I can tell you about my brother Foxpaw. Sure. So Foxpaw wasn't actually in my litter. He was Cottonpaws, but they're as close to me as... but I mean, not as much now since we're busy with older work. It was quite sad, actually. He was so young, just became an apprentice a couple days prior. That owl just scooped him up without warning, and that was it. Oh, no goodbyes, no last words, nothing. Cottonpaw was crushed, obviously. Oh, we all were. We're a big family, but we loved everyone just as strongly. It took a little while, but eventually Cottonpaw found someone to cope. Dustpaw and her are always talking now. That's really sad. Goldstrike, thank the goodness. Like my mother, she can be really clingy sometimes. Who is your mother? Thank the goodness. I like that. I'll help you and my daughter become one of the best warriors we can have, Mint Paw. Alright, so this must be how I get to the hunting area. Here are the hunting grounds. To hunt, jump up and down. You won't get prey every time, but you will eventually. Frequency you find prey depends on the time of day. I find there's much more prey out at nighttime. Now Dustpaw should be ready to battle train with you. He's the brown tom by the tree with Amberclaw. No, I want to hunt. I have 2 reputation. How do I have 2 reputation? Oh. I just get lots of reputation by jumping up and down? Oh, it's just +1, +1. Well, this isn't much fun. I have 10 reputation, though, by doing this. If I talk to you, I feel like you should talk to your mentor, Hollypelt. I'm quite busy with my own apprentice. Well, screw you. I'll meet you at the training grounds. I thought we were at the training grounds. Oh, no, these are the hunting grounds. My bad. Wow, Mintpaw, you're like the best hunter in Bramble Clan. I know, I'm amazing, aren't I? Maybe even better than Feather, whatever. You're like, never mind, haha. Okay. Oh, there's something up there. I should probably get out of here. Yeah! No kidding. The overview? That's not where I meant to go, I don't think. Hey, Mintpaw. Want to play tic-tac-toe? Sure. Okay, I'm not very good. You go first. Well, then I'll definitely beat you. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I still won, but why did I put it there? That is like... What is wrong with me? Yeah. You really are dumb. Sure. No. You can start right away. Thinking... I said no! I said I didn't know. Oh, maybe she asked if I wanted to learn how to play. Oh well. 3. Too low. 5. Too low. 7. Too low. 10. I thought she said 1 to 10. Oh. I'm just freaking stupid. 33. Too low. 70. Too high. 50. Too low. I really... Ah! Screw you. Screw you, Cotton Paw. I hope you're suffering from the loss of your brother. That was mean. I shouldn't have said that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am a cruel person. Oh, look at all the little birdies. So cute. If you ever want a pet bird, Mintpaw, I can clip its wings for you. Oh my gosh, it's kind of dark. But yes, I would like that. Yes, I want a blue jay. Maybe a bird can fly a little bit, but not far away. Ah! It's so cute! Oh! Zzz. He's sleeping. Can I steal that? No! That's my rock. He's still asleep, but he's yelling at me. Only I get to have it. Okay, screw you then. Oh, I've been there. Sorry, Mintpaw, can't talk right now. My mother's grooming me against my will. Oh, man. I hate when mothers do that. Oh, here's some more people. Oh, Amberclaw, I had to learn to do stuff. I think you should talk with your mentor first. Oh, she's right there, duh. Dustpaw is ready to show you the ropes on fighting. Talk with him to get started with sparring. What time is it? Okay. We'll try a little bit. Here. Hey, nice to finally get to meet you. Are you ready to learn how to fight? Yes. Awesome. You have 2 buttons, a paw and a leaf. Click the paw when it's your turn to attack. Click the leaf when it is your turn to heal yourself. Do not spam the buttons. Wait until it says your turn to click or you'll get stuck and have to restart. Health bars will be shown at the sides. Stop licking my leg, dog. Let's start our practice. Sorry, my dogs are... Oh! Bramblestar is calling a clan meeting. Oh my gosh. No! Look, I'm too small. No, I am too small to cross out. Let's get a running start. I screwed that up. I jumped too early. I was so close! Ah! No, I jumped too early again. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Maybe I can't. How do I get over there? I am just too small to jump. I got too close to the edge. Ah! No! Can I just click on that? Oh, I made it! Yes, me, my little bird. It hurts my heart that my daughter Moss Kid is not here to celebrate her warrior ceremony. But it is another step towards Bramble Clan reaching its greatest, and we must go on. I, Bramblesol, leader of Bramble Clan, call upon the entirety of our... They have trained hard to understand the ways of our thriving society, and I commend them to you as warriors in their turn. Dustpaw, and Cottonpaw, you promise to defend. I do! And by the powers of me, I give you your warrior names. We welcome you three as warriors of Bramble Clan: Duskfall, Dustfeather, and Cotton Willow. Woo! Yay! This meeting is dismissed. Okay. There's a butterfly. Mom, look, it's a butterfly. The sky is gorgeous. Sometimes you really need to take a look at what you have. Okay. Good evening, Mintpaw. Would you like to make a suffix crust? Yeah, you know what? I will. Mist. I love the name Mint Mist. That is my OC name for, like, everything. There's just butterfly everywhere. The world is so vast and beautiful beyond our camp. Okay, Crystal Paw, whatever you say. Hi, Mintpaw. I'm on patrol right now, sweetheart. You can ask Amberclaw if you want to join. Literally have to get... Oh, no. Oh, I did it. I did not think I was going to be able to do that. Talk to me when your health has reached 100. Your health is currently 44. Okay. I'm going to end it here and go on 2 patrols to get a warrior. Okay. So, what I'm going to do... Oh, I just got bigger. I'm bigger now. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to fight Duskfall, or Dustfeather. Oh yeah, he's the trainer. Duskfall a few times. And then I'll pick up back recording again when I have 100% health. So, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.